Right, just in case you're wondering what I'm looking at, well, I'm looking at a book that's featuring portraits done by Alex Fernandez. And you know what's the speciality of this book? It features all theatrists, well, from all over Goa. Well, you know what? Alex is sitting right here with me now. And hi, Alex. Welcome to Expressions. Alex, what's this book all about? You know, it's photographs done by you based on theatrists. So what is it all about? You had an exhibition sometime in early Jan this year. So could you please tell us something about this?
Theatrist was a project which was, I came out, a part of my business here is doing portraits. So I did Theatrist as a part of that project to promote my business. I photographed 36 of the most prominent theatrists, and in their stage costumes, their stage garbs, which I'm really not a theatre fan, but when I was photographing these people, what actually came out was like the Goan archetypical characters that you see in daily life. I was also struck by the similarity in my work and the great cartoonist Mario Miranda's book on Goa with Love.
Okay.
Yeah, and this was like, he has very similar characters which I can demonstrate to you.
Oh yes, sure.
So basically, I had delivered a lecture at the History Center, and we came out with very similar characters. Like I have in my book Mr. Cyriaco Dias,
okay,
who plays the Bhatkar.
Okay.
And he's wearing very similar clothes to Mario's Bhatkar. You know, everything from the glasses to the cap, pinstripe trousers, the cane. Then we have the Hindu gentleman who's Mr. Premanand Sangodkar,
okay,
who's also very similar to Mario's caricature of a Hindu gentleman.
Okay.
You have a tailcoat character in Mario's book which is similar to the theatrist which I have. Betty Naz, Betty Ferns, I think this is Betty Ferns, also
okay, has
similarities with Mario, is this very plump, voluptuous lady with black gloves and
okay,
things like this. Paul Romy, the theatrist. Now we have like very close similarities. What basically I came across was I went to Rahul Srivastava, who's a urban anthropologist, and I said, like, look, you know, we have these very similar things, Mario and me. And then we also had Cecil Pinto, who's a writer, and he also wrote about similar characters, like which we as Goans, the Goan mindset puts together.
Yeah.
All
right.
Okay. These are archetypes because we invest a certain amount of emotion into the character, as opposed to a Bollywood stereotype, which is like demeaning kind of the Goan character, you know.
Okay.
So this is like what I thought I was getting in the whole process of photographing the theatrists. Now it's also that the theatrists themselves have chosen the costumes which they wear on the stage.
Okay, so it's them playing their own role.
Playing their own roles.
Okay.
It's also the public, the Goan public, that identifies with this character. So it's a kind of three-way.
Okay, so this isn't absolutely, it's a coincidence that you have figured out the resemblance between...
It's an absolute coincidence but what is surprising is that as Goans we have this image of ourselves. You know, we create this image of ourselves, and I mean, it's not that the people that you see, a lot of them have evolved, have changed. It's not the people that you see on the street, but it's this kind of imaginary character that exists, which I thought came out in this body of work.
Okay, so that's really interesting, because I was I thought that probably you had the theatrists dress up in a particular way, but you say they played themselves.
Yes.
And they depicted themselves, and then you had this uncanny resemblance to Mario Miranda's work, which also features the Goan lay person, at least the highlighted Goan lay person who has evolved over the years, and but we identify with that person.
As being Goan. It's as in portraits. I mean, they are pictures of people. But they are, here this is of a dual nature. Like for example, you say the theatrist Cyriaco Dias. He's not like Mr. Cyriaco Dias anymore. He takes on this this personality of a Bhatkar, okay, which is basically his stage personality.
Okay, all right.
So that's why this portrait of the Teatris has this very dual nature.
Okay.
Okay, as I've done other work like musicians and all, where the musicians say Bondo comes out as Bondo, or if there is the artist like let's say Hanuman Kamli, he comes out as himself. But here it's like
they're playing the character.
They're playing the character.
All right.
So that's the difference basically.
But Alex, how did you get about doing something on Teatris? Because it's quite a unusual title to be highlighting. Is it because you wanted to relate to Goan people's thinking, or like maybe musicians and artists is okay, but Teatris is something really different?
As a portrait photographer, because that is what I was trying to do, like as a portrait photographer, I thought the Teatrists expressed themselves like they had this essence. Theatre is a very powerful communication tool. Theatre can communicate religion, theatre can communicate politics. Theatre is a very powerful communication tool, and it basically is, since it's stage, it really doesn't exist. I mean, it's just in the imagination of the Goan mind.
Okay.
So I thought it was a very good idea to tap Teatrist to like as part of the project, and because it was something to do with Goa,
Oh, that's really lovely. Oh, well, you know what we'll do right now is we'll cut in with a short break, because coming up after the break, I'm sure you guys are all very excited to know more about Alex Fernandez, how he got into photography and all of that. But more on that in a little while. Right now it's time for us to be cutting with a short commercial break. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned, we'll be back.